In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV to Supabase. We'll walk through getting to the dashboard, creating a storage bucket, and uploading your CSV so it's ready for use in your project. Start by opening the Supabase dashboard and heading to your workspace. From there, go to Projects. If you already have a project set up, great, select it. If not, create a new project, give it a clear name, choose your region and plan, and let it finish provisioning. Once the project opens, we'll work inside it. In the left sidebar, open Storage. Storage is where we'll keep the CSV file so your app or later scripts can access it reliably. Click New Bucket to create a dedicated place for your CSVs. Give the bucket a short descriptive name like CSV or Data Uploads. Consistent, lowercase names without spaces tend to work best across environments. Decide whether the bucket should be public. If the CSV needs to be accessible over a public URL, enable public. If it contains private or sensitive data, leave it private and serve files through your app using access rules. Next, set optional restrictions to keep things tidy and secure. You can restrict file size to avoid oversized uploads and restrict MIME types so only expected formats are allowed, for example, text SV. These settings help prevent accidental uploads of the wrong kind of file. Click Create to finish setting up the bucket. You'll be taken back to the list of buckets. Open the one you just created to view its contents. To add your CSV, you can drag and drop the file into the upload area or use the upload file button at the top. If you use the button, click Upload Files, choose your CSV from your computer, and then click Open. Supabase will show progress and place the file in the bucket when it's done. A few tips for smooth uploads. Keep your file name simple using letters, numbers, dashes, or underscores. Make sure your CSV uses UTF-8 encoding and a consistent delimiter, typically a comma. If you have a header row, keep column names clear and lowercase to match your future database schema. After the upload, the file is available in the bucket and can be referenced by your app or by server-side code whenever you need it. That's it. Your CSV is now in Supabase storage and ready for the next step in your workflow.